My day-to-day is dealing with repair orders at the Dalmeny Point asset on FPS. This mainly consists of carrying out various mechanical repairs, mechanical modifications or fabric maintenance repairs. I've always known Grangemouth as the best place to learn how to become an engineer. My family are involved in engineering and they've always said that wherever you go in the world, you will find engineers from Grangemouth. I was hoping to get involved in Grangemouth some way or another, and fortunate enough I was able to get an offer from INEOS. I have quite a lot of responsibility, and that has definitely helped with my learning and my thought process when faced with a problem, which I'm really grateful for. It really encourages me to stay here and to continue my career with INEOS. I've really enjoyed my first year at INEOS. I've been heavily involved in the site and I'm on site every day. It's really been beneficial so I can see that I've seen the full process of the engineering. From concept to completion, you see the full journey, so you're aware of the design, what it takes to implement the design and how to actually execute that design out on site. Yeah, we definitely have a flat structure here at INEOS. It's really exciting to see that as a graduate engineer because you can see, what kind of career you can have, and these people are really willing to speak to you about their career. So it's really refreshing as a graduate engineer and inspiring. Sustainability is really important to me because I feel my role as a mechanical engineer on an oil and gas asset, we have a real drive for being sustainable as possible so we can maintain our business and continue to do what we do. I'd fully recommend it, and first of all I'd let them know my own experience. I'd say that I've been given real hands-on jobs and a role that has real responsibility, and I'd let them know of what's to come for my future and for their future if they were to apply for INEOS. What I'm looking forward to the most in the graduate scheme over the next 3 years is to really see what kind of engineer I can develop into. From working with my colleagues who are slightly older than me, I've really seen how far they've progressed, and I'm quite excited to see how far I can progress also, because from what I've seen through the first year of my career, there is plenty of opportunities for graduate engineers like myself to continue and progress into being really good engineers.